Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Rush for More Reviews. Today we'll take a tour of the University of the West Indies, UWI. We'll be starting down by the area they call the UWI Bowl. That's where all the sporting activities take place. It's also the home of the UWI football team. Down here is a bit quiet now because most persons would be at classes and lectures. So in the evening you have a lot more person training and running. Right in front of me is the Sir Frank Worrell Cricket Ground. Then down that area is a secondary football field that's not really maintained. And then further down more is a small entrance and exit gate which leads to Augustown. So this is the cricket pitch. Then up that side you have the football field. And then above that you have the track and field track. So we'll take a walk from the UWI Bowl and then go straight over to the Medical Sciences building. Weather seems a bit overcast, so hopefully the rain doesn't catch us on the way. This video will be a little bit longer than usual. But if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more content. Remember to leave your comments. Let me know your suggestion, feedback, what you think about UWI in terms of, the progress of upgrades and buildings and everything. Remember to like the video and share so that the video can go more places as well. One other thing we're trying to do with this channel before December is to get to 10,000 subscribers. We're like at 1,200 now. So with your help, I want to get to 10,000 subscribers. So remember to share and like. So right here now is the UWI swimming pool. Once you have an ID, you can use the pool free of cost. So it's a place to relax. If you do swimming, it's a place to train. Alright, so this is where we're starting out. Alright, so over there is the Jamaica Football Federation Academy housing. This is a better view of the football track. Sorry, the track and field grounds. I think based on what I'm seeing, they're doing some cutting, manicuring the lawn right now. And then up that side is the Rex Nutleford Hall back gate. And over here is the AZ Preston dormitory or hall. That's up that side. And that's down back to swimming pool area. Alright, so right here is the lookout point. That's what they call it. You can see the basketball court, the tennis court, netball court. You can see the football fields as well. So down there is referred to as UWI Bowl. Then behind me you have a new construction. It's a boarding facility right next to the security post. and also close to the law building. So that's the new law building, about 3 years constructed now. And the high-rise boarding facility. So this is the campus police post. Let's take a walk down this side. So it's the Norman Manley Law School and Legal Aid Clinic. So down there we have an entrance / exit to Mona Road. Alright, so Norman Manley Law School and Legal Aid Clinic. Let's head back around our side. And so now at the UE Student Union, we'll take a quick look inside. Then we have another boarding facility over this side, adjacent the Student Union. Alright, Student Union a bit quiet. Most people at class. So we have Yo, Milo, Bad Dog. This here is where the parties keep as well, US Student Union. Alright, so the US Student Union. Alright, so over here is the Center for Advanced Research in Renewable Energy. So we won't get to cover everywhere. Ulas and Shira. But we'll try to cover as much as we possibly can. So basically probably say mid-campus. We have University Health Center. So Faculty of Nursing on the left. So this is the School of Nursing. So over here we have a new building. Not sure what it is as yet, but it's built by the Chinese. This is MITS, Mona Information Technology Service. Alright, so this is a part of the ring road. We have Scotiabank up the road. KFC up the road as well. Over there we have the famous Beehive Restaurant. Very popular on campus. So Mary Seacold Dharm over here. So we have the main campus library over this side. Jamaica National, you have KFC, you have Scotia Bank. So we have Mona School of Business. We have Faculty of Law. Early on we saw the law school. This is the medical science building. It was built by the Chinese about 5 years now. Burger King now on UE campus. A few years ago there was no Burger King, so more food options. Alright guys, I want to end the video right here. Campus registry. Remember to share your feedback, like, leave a comment, share so that more persons can see. And if you're new, subscribe for more content.